In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your mouse wheel automatically scrolling up and down. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. For the first fix, what I recommend doing is actually just coming and looking at the mouse itself. And what you need to do is just go and look where the mouse wheel is, because quite a lot of the time, a lot of sort of muck or dust is going to go and build up in here. So what you can do is try and get a thin cloth to go and clean it out, but a really good way I find is just blowing some air through it. So if you've got like some compressed air, you can use that, or you literally can just blow it yourself, and that should go and remove it. So just keep blowing it for 5-10 seconds. Try and make it quite harsh if possible, just to try and clear anything out of there. Another thing that's worth trying is going to get any drivers which are required for your mouse. Some mice aren't going to have any drivers, but if yours does, then make sure you've got it, or at least make sure it's up to date as well. Open up a web browser. I'll just use Google Chrome and then go to a search engine and then go and search for your mouse's manufacturer and drivers. So in this case, I have a Logitech mouse, so I'm going to go and search for Logitech drivers, just like so. I'm going to search for that there. Then make sure you go to your official website. So in this case, it's this one here, Logitech. And yeah, I'd go and download it. I've actually already got mine here. But yeah, make sure you've got them and that they're up to date, because that may make a difference for your mouse sort of automatically scrolling up and down. But the main thing is it's going to be more like a physical problem. So otherwise, just make sure you sort of unplug the receiver and replugged it if it's wireless. If it's wired, then just unplug it and replug it as well, as there may be a problem with the connection between the mouse and the computer. But anyways, I hope one of the methods in this video has helped you out. If it has, please consider leaving a like. Peace.